Meaning of faltering.
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 Faltering. Faltering means to start losing strength or momentum, or to hesitate and be uncertain in one's actions or speech. When someone or something is faltering, they may be struggling, stumbling, or making mistakes. This can lead to a decline in performance or a loss of confidence. For example, a business may begin to falter if it loses customers or has financial troubles, while a person may falter in their speech if they are nervous or unsure of what to say. In general, faltering is a sign that things are not going well and may require attention or intervention.